If you're like us and love creating materials in Substance Sampler, but haven't figured out an easy way to get those materials into Blender for later use, we've got you covered. Today we're going to go over the quick and easy process of exporting and importing Substance brushes for use in Blender. If you learned something, of course, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Drop down at the description for a link to this free tool, as well as a link to Retro Violet Studio's awesome fashion fabric pack that is already set up and ready to go, with over 150 very unique and detailed fabric materials for Blender, Substance, and beyond. And now, let's start the sim. So the very first thing we're going to do is open up the file in Substance Sampler. Once it opens, choose the pattern you want to export and let it load. Come over here to the Export Share tab and send it to Substance Painter, or you can export it right to your system as an SBSAR. Painter will open up, and you can go ahead and do a search for your brush name just to make sure it exported incorrectly. Now right-click the brush and click Show in Explorer and copy this file location for later. Now let's open up Blender. I've saved this project as Substance Import so it's easy to find, and open up your shader editor with the Substance 3D panel. Make sure your viewport is in a mode where you can see the materials on your object. You'll need to download and install Substance 3D and the integration tools. They're free on the Adobe website, and I'll have it linked down below. You do need to have both of the downloads to make it work, but this is what it looks like when it's fully set up. The website does have a video tutorial in case you get a little bit confused, but it's not too difficult to get installed. So we're going to load this material up, and we'll just paste that file location from earlier and select this SBSAR we exported earlier. It'll take a second to render, then select your mesh and make sure you don't have another material that's going to be in the way when we apply this. Then go ahead and hit apply. It'll pop that material right in, already set up with all these connections and mapping. You can change the scale really easily, and it's as simple as that. You can go into the Blender file in the outliner, down to material, and find your Substance material if you want to mark it as an asset to put in your asset library later. And that's it. Making your Substance materials transfer into Blender is insanely easy. It only takes a couple of minutes, and it can absolutely change your workflow with modeling if you're a Blender and Substance user. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know down in the comments what you want to see next. And until next time, take care of yourself and each other.